We're gonna learn some verbs in this video. You have to choose the right answer. They are dash a letter. Here the keyword is are, is, am, was, and were, followed by V1 plus ing. This is V1, V2. Option C is V1 plus ing. So the correct answer is writing. They are writing a letter. Next, we didn't dash football last day. The keyword here is didn't. If we have didn't, doesn't, don't, and doesn't, these helping verbs followed by V1. V1 is also called root or base form. Option A is play. This is the correct answer. This is V2. We can't use option B and C. We didn't play football last day. I have dash my work. The keyword here is have. Has, have, and had are followed by V3. Option A is V1, B is V2, and C is V3. The correct answer is C. I have done my work. Next, you must dash there. Must is a modal verb. Can, could, may, might, would, should. These modal verbs are followed by V1, root or base form. So the correct answer is go. V1, root or base form. She doesn't dash ice cream. Here the keyword is doesn't. If we have don't, doesn't, and didn't, these helping verbs are followed by V1. This is V2. Option B is V1. This is the correct answer. She doesn't like ice cream.